Hi students, I think you have understood practice set 2.1 and 2.2 from chapter number 2, parallel lines and transversal. Now in this video we are going to learn how to draw a line parallel to the given line. There are two types of questions, or you can say constructions. First one is to draw a line parallel to a given line through a point which is outside of the given line, and you are going to use set square. Note that method 2 from page number 13 of your textbook is cancelled or omitted only for this year, and that is meant for your self-study. Second construction is to draw a parallel line to a given line at a given distance. So there are two types of questions. So let's see construction 1 in your textbook. To draw a line parallel to a given line through a point outside the given line using set square. So you will be having a line, and there will be one point outside of the line, and through this point you have to draw a line parallel to the given line, and you have to use the set squares. Second method is omitted. Construction 2, to draw a parallel line to a given line at a given distance. So these are the two types of questions. So let's learn practice set 2.3. Let's read question carefully. Question number 1, draw a line L. So you have to draw a line L. Take a point A outside of the given line. You take any point A outside of the line. Through the point A, draw a line parallel to the given line. So I have already written the question. First step is to draw a line. So you can draw any line L. This line L. Use pencil to draw a line. Take point A outside the given line L. Mark it as a A. Now you have to draw a line parallel to line L passing through point A. For that you are going to use two set squares. Place this set square number 1 in this way, so that you can draw a perpendicular passing through point A on line L. Now place set square number 2 touching set square 1. Hold them in such a way that set square number 2 is very close to point A, and then draw a line along the edge of set square number 2. Now look at this. This line is parallel to your given line L. Mark it as a M. You can extend this line to other side and put arrow mark. That completes your construction. Now you can see that line M and line L, they are parallel to each other. Let's go to the second question. Draw line L. Take any point T outside of the line L. Through point T, draw a line parallel to line L. So this question is exactly similar to the previous question. So same construction. First of all, you draw a line. Say this line as L. Mark it as L, line L. Now after this, take one set square, say set square number 1, and before that you take any point T, outside of the line L. Place this set square number 1 in such a way that this edge of set square number 1 is perpendicular to the line L and passing through point T. Then hold other set square number 2 touching each other. Hold set square 1 and 2 in such a way that the edge of set square number 2 is very close to, or in fact touching, point A. Then draw a line along the edge of set square 2. This line is always parallel to the given line L. Now you have to extend it with the help of scale. On other side, put arrow mark and mark it as line M. So now this is your required line M, which is parallel to L, and it is passing through point T using your set squares. Question number 3. Draw line M. So we are going to draw line M. Then draw a line N which is parallel to line M. This is your line M, given line M. You have to draw a line N which will be here somewhere, upside or downside, at a distance of 4 centimeter. So again, take 2 points on this line M, say A and say B. Passing through point B, using the set square, you just draw a line parallel to line M. So this is perpendicular to line M. At point B. Same way you draw perpendicular passing through point A. On the line M. These are the two perpendiculars. So you have drawn two perpendiculars passing through point A and B respectively using set square. Now with the help of scale and compass, find the distance or the measure of 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter, and then make arcs on these perpendiculars, 1 and this is second. This distance is 4 centimeter and this distance is also 4 centimeter. So right there, four centimeter and 4 centimeter. These 2 points you can name as point P and point Q. Passing through point P and point Q, draw a line with the help of scale. Now this line passes through point P and passes through point Q. You can name it as N, which is your required answer. Now you can say that line N is parallel to line M, and the distance between them is 4 centimeter. So line M is parallel to line N, says that distance between P and A is 4 centimeter.